Hello everyone, welcome to your to go summer recipe episode 6, and today I'll be showing you all I grill my juicy steak. Before we dive into our cooking process, let's talk about choosing the perfect steak. And when it comes to the perfect steak, it's all about the quality, the marbling, and also the thickness. And what I'm going to do first is season our steak. The key to a delicious grilled steak is the proper seasoning, and today I'm going to be using a simple blend of salt, pepper, and apart from pepper, I'm going to be using a little bit of vegetable oil. Or if you have your olive oil, also you can use that guy also. Let's generously coat our steak, and let it sit for about 30 to, should I say, 30 to 40 minutes before we put it on the grill. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just trying to coat the steak properly. And immediately I did put that immediately I did season it. The next thing I did was put that steak inside of should I say a four bag. And don't forget, once you put it inside of it, you don't just want to put it inside, you want to add a little bit of olive oil. And that's it right there. Add about a spoon of olive oil should be fine. And if you have basil leaf also, you can add it also. I had one with me, and I just added that the leaves right there. Once you're done with that guy right there, you let that guy just sit inside of the fridge, or somewhere, let me say some type of room temperature, for about 30 to 40 minutes. Jumping next is setting up our grill. I've got the grill it preheated to high heat, and it's essential we clean our grill with oil, if that makes sense. And this, when we clean it with oil, this prevents sticking and to ensure those perfect grill marks on our steak. So that's what I'm doing right there. Now this is the moment we've all been waiting for. That sizzle. Lay that steak down gently and listen to the sizzle of that steak. Right there. Lay that guy down, and let's just let that guy just do his thing. And don't forget, while that is going on, while that is going on, make sure you check it out frequently. Check it out frequently if possible. And one thing I want you guys to take notice is, while you're flipping, when flipping your steak, use your tongue, not fork. Try to use your tongue right there. Make sure you don't use a fork. We don't want to lose those precious juices. And that's why I'm using my tongue. If you use your fork, you're gonna lose those juices, because it's gonna create some type of oil inside of your steak. So we don't want to lose those precious juices. So it's very, very vital we use a tongue instead of our fork. Look at those. Look at that guy right there. Wow. Look at those beautiful grill marks. Looking so good. We'll share the other side for, should I say, 2 to 3 minutes as well. And just a quick one, to achieve the perfect doneness, use the meat thermostat, at least where, when it comes to like 125 Fahrenheit. And when it comes to your mirror, you're looking at 135 135 Fahrenheit. But so far we're looking good, and yeah. And now it's time to slice our steak right there. Look at it looking so juicy, perfectly good steak. Serve with your favorite sides and garnish with any mouth watering meal. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.